Globe knows that for today's entrepreneur, providing service to the Filipino can be one of the most fulfilling and challenging enterprises. The good news is, overcoming those challenges just got easier with Globe Business.
I ran for election in 2004 and was elected first senior councilor or the senior councilor of the city. And then in 2005, I became the vice mayor. And in 2006, I became OIC mayor. And in 2007, I was elected as the city mayor of the city of Santa Rosa. So we became a city in 2004. And now, as you can see, this is called the Lion City of South Luzon, and one of the ICT hub in the Philippines. So from a sleepy town, this is now the most industrialized city in the south. Running the city is like running a business, and the city of Santa Rosa is an economic enterprise. We don't just give service to the people, we do business here as well. So we have to make use of every business solutions to help the city. I used to use a different telco provider before, but then I decided that I have to have something, a plan that should be customizable for my function as a city mayor. I was able to discover this Globe Business Plus plan that can help me in governing the city in such a way that this is a business enterprise as well. I communicate and have this person-to-person relationship, not only with my staff, but with my constituents. So they get to call me personally. And I get to call and talk to them, text to them personally as well. And then you add on the text to my staff, the orders to my staff, and the texts and calls to the investors, the business partners of the city of Santa Rosa. That would really amount to a lot. So the Globe Business Plus plan that I got with unlimited text and calls is very suited for me. And it makes my work as a mayor very easy. Sobrang sulit ng Globe Business Plus plans. You can get as low as 99 pesos. So you can make use of your money well. The services that they give me, customized, and then mura pa. Globe is a one-stop shop for business solutions. It has wireless, wireline, and broadband services. That is why I'm very happy and glad that I partnered with Globe.
Depending on your needs, choose from any of our Business Plus plans, which come with free services and free handsets. Or create your own Business Plus plan by choosing the services you want. From calls, to texts, to mobile browsing, and even BlackBerry services. Whichever you choose, you pay only for what your business needs. Grow your business beyond all expectations, only with Globe's complete packages.